Hi guys! Today we're going to talk about kung paano nga ba makakaiwas sa mga scammers sa Upwork. First is always check yung client history and hiring rate. Ito yung mga job offer na too good to be true, sobrang tataas ng offer pero 0% high rate, and sobrang daming job post. Iwasan natin kasi possible na scam ito. Next is, i-check naman natin kung payment verified si client. Syempre, kapag payment verified, for sure na mababayaran ka. May mga instances din naman na mga hindi pa verified ang account dahil babagong gawa pa lang ito. So, possible na hindi pa nila na-set up yung payment details nila. Pero kung matagal na si client, sobrang daming job post, 0% high rate, and hindi pa payment verified, iwasan mo na yung mga ganyang job post. The third one is, you don't have to pay anything to the client. Napakaraming nagchat-chat sa akin regarding dito. Kung ikaw ay hinihingian ng payment bago ka i-hire, yung mga sinasabi nila na hire assurance fee, or yung mga magbabayad ka ng $5 for the account link activation, wag na wag kang papayag dahil scam yan. Ikaw ang naghahanap ng trabaho, dapat ikaw yung babayaran, hindi sila yung babayaran mo. The next one is client shouldn't contact you outside Upwork before getting hired. Ito yung mga scammer na magpo-post sa Upwork, then i-message ka nila kung pwede daw ba sa Telegram or WhatsApp kayo mag-usap. Dapat, bago kayo mag-usap sa Telegram, kailangan palaging may contract. Dapat, before proceeding to the Telegram, always secure yung contract sa Upwork. The next one is, don't take payments outside Upwork. Kapag bago ka pa lang at inoferan ka ni client, kung pwede daw ba na outside Upwork ka nalang bayaran para makaiwas sa Upwork fee. Medyo magdalawang isip ka na kasi hindi mo sure kung mababayaran ka. Meron kasi tayong 10% Upwork fee. Oo, malaki talaga yun. Pero kapag inside Upwork naman, for sure na mababayaran ka. The next one is, don't do any tasks without a contract. Kahit anong ipagawa sa'yo, kahit anong ipatrabaho sa'yo, hanggat walang contract, wag na wag mong gagawin. Yung mga sinasabi nila na, for example, 2 weeks training pero walang contract, wag na wag kang papayag. Kung may 2 weeks training, dapat may contract. The last one is always trust your gut. Kapag feeling mo toxic si client at maraming red flag, umiwas ka na, wag mo nang itry. Always trust your instinct kasi mas mahirap na mas mahirap na magtatrabaho ka pero hindi ka naman mababayaran. At mahirap yung masisira yung pinaghirapan mong profile ng dahil lang sa isang client. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and follow for more freelancing tips. Thank you!